Hey there, I'm Pratham, and in this video I'll show you how you can make an API call to standard lookup endpoint of ipstack API. It's one of the endpoints that ipstack offers. You can basically look up at IPv4 and IPv6 addresses using this endpoint. First thing first, you need to fork the entire Postman collection. If you haven't done that, you can watch our quick start video. Once done, let's try to make the first API call to this standard IP lookup endpoint. Here you will find a lots of requests under the standard IP lookup folder, which are nothing but different combinations of parameters which are widely used. We are most interested in this basic standard lookup thing. Once you click over here, you will find that it is sort of a template which you can use right away. Here you have to paste your API key, which you will get from the ipstack official website. You need to sign up. Let me show you how. You need to sign up here and go to the dashboard. Here is your API key. You just need to copy that and go back to the Postman collection. This API key, you have to paste it here. And this is the IP address we are looking at. You can change it to the desired IP address you want to look up. Once done, simply click on this send button and it will get the data. And you can see we are getting the response back. It has a lots of information over here. You can see this is the IP address we requested for. The type is v4, the entire address, even the latitude and longitude to get the entire geolocation. It has some other important information as well which you can look up at. So this is how you can basically use this Postman collection and make the first API call to standard IP lookup endpoint. Thanks.